Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Archana Randive, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we are going to study timers of the 8051. There are two 16-bit timers present in 8051 which can also used as counters. For doing this, we can use four special function registers. First register is tmod, that is timer mode register, which is used to select the mode of timer. Second register is tcon, that is timer control register, which is used to control the timer, that is to on or off the timer. To load the initial count, we can use TL0 TH0 registers for timer counter 0 and TL1 TH1 registers for timer counter 1. There are two pins of 8051 which are connected with timer counter. T0 pin, if you want to use timer T0, P3.4 pin can be used, and to use timer T1 we can use 4 pin P3.5. INT0 and INT1 are also used for controlling these timers or counters. These timers are used to generate delay for 8051 programming. For 8051, operating frequency is 1/12 of the crystal frequency. So the machine cycle frequency will be equals to crystal frequency divided by 12. Machine cycle period will be reciprocal of this frequency. So machine cycle period will be equals to 12 divided by crystal frequency. Generally, 8051 works on crystal frequency of 11.0592 MHz. So the machine cycle period will be 12 divided by 11.0592 MHz, which comes around 1.08 microsecond. As this timer is 16-bit, the maximum count generated will be 2 raised to 16, that is 65,536 decimal or FFFF hexadecimal. So the maximum time generated or measured will be calculated by 65,536, that is the maximum count, multiplied by 1.08 microsecond, the time required to complete one machine cycle, which comes around 70.77 milliseconds. Now we will see different registers used in timers of 8051. The first register is timer mode control register, that is TMOD register. This is an 8-bit register. Lower 4 bits, the from bit number 0 to 3, are used for timer 0, whereas upper 4 bits from bit number 4 to 7 are used for timer 1. These timers can be worked in 4 different modes called as Mode 0, Mode 1, Mode 2 and Mode 3, and for selecting any one of these modes, bits M1 and M0 can be used. Mode 0 is 13-bit timer counter mode, where THX with TLX can be used as 5-bit prescaler. Here X stands for the timer number. If you are using timer 0, these registers will be called as TH0 and TL0 registers. When you are using timer 1, these registers can be called as TH1 and TL1. For selecting mode 0, M1 M0 bit should be set to 00 respectively. If we select M1 M0 as 01, mode 1 can be selected, which is a 16-bit timer counter mode, and this is the most widely used mode. Here THX and TLX, these two registers are cascaded and no prescaler can be used. For selecting mode 2, M1 M0 should be set to 10. It is an 8-bit timer counter with auto reload, where THX holds a value that is to be reloaded into TLX each time when it overflows. The last mode is mode 3, that is split timer 0 into two 8-bit counters or to stop timer 1. For selecting mode 3, we can set the bits M1 M0 as 1 1. Bit number 2 and 6 are C oblique T bar, that is for selection of timer or counter. If it is set equals to 0, the timer will function as a timer, that is, they basically count the number of machine cycles. And if we want to select is a counter, then this bit should be selected or this bit should be set to equals to 1. Then bit number 3 and bit number 7 are the gate bit. If timer is controlled by TR1 or TR0, that is only through software instructions, then this gate bit should be equals to 0. If the timer control will depend upon INT0 or INT1 and also on TR0 or TR1 bit, that is through hardware and software, then this gate bit should be selected as 1. The next register is timer control register, TCON register. This is also an 8-bit register where lower 4 bits are used for interrupt functions and upper 4 bits are used for timers. Here TF1 bit is the timer 1 overflow flag or interrupt flag bit. The value in timer registers rolls from all ones, that is FFFFH, to all zeros, that is 0000H. Then interrupt flag TF1 will be set. The next bit is TR1, that is timer 1 run control bit. It can be set or cleared by software to turn the timer or counter on or off. The next two bits TF0, TR0, these are having the similar functions of like TF1 and TR1. The only difference is these two bits are used when timer 0 register or sorry the timer 0 will be selected. These are some of the references. Thank you.